All right, we got a new belt. Let's break it in. Things first, when you're breaking in your belt, you're going to want to clean your sheaves. So you're going to take some maroon Scotch-Brite. You're going to go ahead and clean off the sheaves, making sure there's little to no belt residue on there. Once you use the Scotch-Brite, go ahead and take a rag and put some acetone on there. Make sure everything's cleaned up. There's no dust or anything from the Scotch-Brite. Now that our clutches are clean, let's go ahead and install this belt. We're going to install this belt so that you could read all the writing on the belt. You want to make sure that it is legible, that it is not upside down, and the belt is on the correct way. Okay, now that the belt is installed, it's time to heat cycle your belt. So what you're going to do is you're going to run your machine in 2-wheel drive high for around 20 minutes between 20 and 45 miles an hour. And if it's a little cooler outside, add an extra 10 minutes. We're here in Illinois and it's pretty cold out, so I'm going to run it for 30 minutes. All right, guys, we just ran the car between 25 and 45 miles per hour for about 30 minutes. This heat cycled the belt. Now we're going to let it rest and cool down for about 30 minutes. After that cool down, we're going to get back in the car and heat cycle it one more time. Okay, now that you did a second heat cycle, your belt is broken in. If you have any questions, give us a call or visit us at kwiclutching.com.